Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here, also known as Stampin' Sue Creates. I'm coming to you from Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, and I'm here to do a little bit different unboxing. I don't know about you, but if you do paper crafts, any type of crafts, actually anything that would make a mess on a surface. I came across this item on Amazon. And I thought it was super cute what it looked like to begin with. It's like a little ladybug. And Stampin' Up! Just came out with a ladybug stamp set, so I thought, oh, how cute is this? And to put this on my desk. And what it is a little personal vacuum cleaner for your desk. So a little desk vacuum. Because if I'm doing embossing or I have those backs that I peel off dimensionals, they get all over your desk and you're trying to pick them up and you can't pick them up because they're all over, or just you get little, I don't know if you could see, but all kind of little crumbs and things. And I thought this might even be great when the grandkids come over and they leave crumbs all over the table. I'll just give them this and say, here, clean this up. And I think this would be something fun that they'd like to clean with. So let's take a look at this and let's see what it's about. And it's a nice size, because it's perfect. It fits right in your hand. It's actually a little bit bigger than a mouse. So this is the mouse that I use for my laptop. So it's a little bit bigger. Let's take it out of the plastic. So look how cute it is. I think I need to name her. So here's a mouse, and here's the side of it. So it is a little bit bigger than a mouse, but it fits really nice in your hand, and it probably works the same way as a mouse. I don't know. Let's see. So, if I didn't mention, I did get it from Amazon, and I don't have the link for it, but here's what it's called. And of course it's made in China, but they do supply English directions. Mini Multifunctional Cleaner. So, and I know when I saw online on Amazon, they had all kind of different types of shells to it, you know. They had like an alien, I think I saw a frog, like different companies make it. So here's the model number right there for you. So let's take a look. And I know it takes batteries. So, it has a, it takes AA batteries. It says a pair. So, okay, I have those. I have these, like, just from the Dollar Tree, you know, cheap ones. Purpose: to remove the dirt caused by eraser, to remove cigarette ash or dust on the office table, to remove the hair or dust on a garment, to remove the dust on a surface of a home appliance, computer, keyboard, or furniture, to clean the cushion or interior of car. Now, I would have never thought of that. So, operation: insert the battery, open the cover according to the arrow direction to turn, insert the battery. I think there's a little bit typo there. On-off, push the on-off button, your right thumb, turn on the motor. And it has a filter, so you can clean the filter. Okay. Precautions: do not clip this cleaner, do not dip this cleaner, my eyes aren't working, in water, otherwise the motor will be damaged. Do not use petrol oil or benzene to clean it. Do not try to remove dust with iron bits, glass, or wooden scraps. Do not open the base cover when switch turn on. Please change the battery if you want to keep the strong suction. And of course, it's made in China. So I cut up some little paper snips here, and I brought out some embossing powder, which, you know, that's what I'm going to give it a try on. So, and it has like these are like little brushes kind of on the bottom. And, okay, so turn this. Okay. All right. Oh, and there's where the batteries go. Okay. Let me get my batteries. I would think they go this way. Let me take a look at the picture. Yeah. Okay, not the easiest to put the batteries in. Okay. And this way. Okay, I think. Okay, let's put the cover on. And look at it, has like a nice little motor in there. So I'm praying this works. If I upload this to YouTube, that means it did something. Okay. On, off. Are we doing anything? Nope, not doing nothing. Maybe it's not going to work. Let's take these batteries out. Make sure I put them in the right way. Positive? Maybe I put them in wrong. Okay, let me check again. There is, now that I'm looking, there is a little plus and minus sign. Okay, minus and plus. Okay, I think I had the batteries in wrong, which is normal for me. Okay, let's try it. Oh, you hear it? Oh, I can feel like some air. Let's try it. Oh, look at that. It's very light on the table. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, so let's turn it off. Okay, so let's get some embossing powder. This will be the true thing. Or how about if you're working with glitter? Now this is a retired embossing powder. I didn't want to use any current one. This is our pool party from Stampin' Up. So this is our Stampin' Emboss powder. So let's try this. My cat's already intrigued by it. She's already, there we go. Okay, a couple passes. Yeah, well, maybe not, you know, a little extra effort for the embossing powder, but, oh, it's exciting. Let me grab my laptop, which is right above me here. Let's see how it works on the laptop. Let me move that screen out of the way. There we go. Look at that. I'm not sure if I have any dusties on there. Let's go on the screen. And little crevices. Oh, I think I am liking this. I think I just found my new best friend. Okay, let me close up my laptop. This is my little, if you're wondering what this guy is, this is something that I had bought, I don't know, maybe QVC years ago. It's a little additional speaker. So when I'm sewing or doing crafts, sometimes I need a little bit louder. But yeah, look at the nice job it did. So let's see now. Okay, so this says push. Okay, I don't want it to go flying. Does it mean push? Push and pull down. Oh, there we go. Oops. Oh, look, it all collects in there. Okay, so let me get my trash bin. So I have my little pop-up trash bin. And there we go. I spilled a little getting it out, but yeah, you could just go ahead. Let's put this back on. Okay. Okay, let's put it back on and pick up the rest of it. Huh. Okay then. And there's my trash in my trash bin. How cool is that? I'm going to try it on the carpet. Hold on a sec. I have a lot of yuckies on my carpet here. Oh, it's picking up. I have hardwood floor. Can you hear it picking up? It's a very low pile that I have on this carpet. But just running it on the carpet. It works great on the hardwood floor. All these little crunchies. All the little sequins that have fallen. You all know what I'm talking about, right? Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, well, there's all my little dusties. You really need a big vacuum, I mean, if you're doing your carpet, but let's see what we got in there. You can see cat hair on here, too. I mean, I have animals. So, okay, let me see. Push down. Okay. So look at all the stuff it got on my hardwood floor and a little bit on the carpet. I think that's great. Even these little strips from when you peel off for your glue, you just take it right to your trash. You even picked up some string from when I was sewing. Let's empty this. And I think it said something about a filter. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, see, this has little filters along the side here, so you can clean that. Yeah, I really like this little thing. I don't know, it was maybe $10. I think this is great. I may have to get another one and keep one downstairs for, like I said, when, I didn't put that on right, like when the grandkids come, or just myself on my table. Look at that. This would be a great stocking stuffer too. So anyhow, that's my unboxing of my new little toy. And I think I need to name her. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe Ruby. What do you think, Ruby? So yeah, I mean, this isn't stamp related, or, well, I guess it could be craft related, stamp related. And you can see I have my robe on. It's early morning here on Sunday. But yeah, I definitely would give this a thumbs up. And for $10 to kind of clean off my table, my keyboard, I'm going to try it in my car. I may have to get one for my car. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. I believe YouTube does not allow comments anymore now that they did that whole new configuring with children and that. I think they turned off my comments. But you can still give me thumbs up. You can still subscribe to my channel. If you want to share this with other people that you think would enjoy seeing this, or maybe you don't want to and you just want to go to Amazon and order them one, I think they would love it. So thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day. We'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye for now.